GO&S customer representative check his emails and our GO&S order form. He is cross-checking the written details on order form to confirm the details are matched with our standards or our yarn color book numbers or not. If details written correctly, then he send email the customer drawing to knitting tape designer computer. GO&S designer is checking the order form which was received from marketing department. After his careful checking, he start to create design tape according to our customer's desired design to be used in our knitting machines. After tape done, he send email to knitting programmer to make knitting machine program convert. Attention! For every size of pullover, our designer has to make new pattern arrangement according to symbols placement. After GO&S representative get the final order confirmation from our customer, he goes to knitting department now. He is explaining all details to knitting program operator. They are checking colors with our color yarn book. Knitting tape programmer is converting the design tape for our special knitting machine software. He is checking and compare order form with knitting software. If there is no problem, he is giving the converted tape and order form the knitting machine operator. Attention! For every size knitting tape, our knitting programmer has to make separately software of knitting machine process. Knitting workers are getting chosen yarns according to written details on our order form. They are double checking the yarn numbers and putting yarns on carrying table. They are taking away chosen yarns near to winning softener machine. Yarns must get relaxed and more softer before working on knitting machines. Our worker put the yarns on winning machine. He is starting to make yarns more relaxed. Softer yarns are going near to knitting machines. Knitting machine operator is putting the yarns on machine according to knitting software of the orders. At the same time, other operator is loading the software and knitting machine computer equipped with special settings of knitting machine. Machine is starting to move now. Pullovers have been started to be knitted. Now first pieces are getting to be seen under machine. Knitting machine operator is controlling required knitting quality and sizes. Everything look okay, then he is giving the order to machine to continue. Pullovers have been finished and knitting machine operator is cutting the pieces. He is putting the cutted products on table and calling knitting programmer and customer representative. They are checking together the sizes, logo shapes, colors and letters. If everything look good, then production continue. Embroidery designer always control the email which sent by sales customer representative. Embroidery designer start to make stitch program according to our customer required sizes and vector drawing. After stitch program finished, then designer make the stitch program converted for adaptation on embroidery machine. Machine operator is get informed about stitch program and order form. Machine operator goes to yarn warehouse to find correct color numbers according to what order form required. After he choose and get the yarns, then he bring them near to embroidery machine. Operator makes the adaptation of stitch program to embroidery machine and put the yarns on special numbered part of embroidery machine. Operator put the product under machine embroidery pins correctly and carefully placed. Then he gives the order to machine to start. After embroidery stitch work finish, then operator take the product and give it to ladies to cleanse carefully. Now product is ready to go to sewing department. Knitted pieces of pullovers arrive to ironing separately. Front, back, two arms, neck tape. Front and back parts are sewed on shoulder part together. Left and right arms are attached on body pieces. Underarm, body and arms are sewing to each other. Final part is sewing neck tape and labels together at the same time. Worker is making clean and quality control before ironing. First quality correct products are getting separated according to size labels and sending to ironing department. The sieved pullovers are started to ironing here. Width and length are controlled by workers at the same time according to our size table. Ironed pullovers are cleansed from yarn pieces and controlling for overlooked holes and knitting mistakes. First quality pullovers are getting folded now. One pullover is getting inside of one poly bag, which is our standards. Poly bags included one pullover are placing inside our standard boxes according to size labels. Our customer representative and logistics specialist are bonding the box papers on our boxes. They are checking every box number from our packing list that directing us which item must be in which box. The box paper bonded boxes are counted and controlled by staff. The workers are loading the boxes on truck. Driver is putting his signature on delivery transport paper. Finally, our loaded truck is ready to go our transport company warehouse.